There was a straight A student who never graduated high school. I live at home with my mom, but last week I was sleeping on the streets.